Good morning, students. This is your computer class. I have already explained you the first chapter of your computer book, that is Origin of Computer Language. Yes, and I hope you have seen the video and understand the chapter, and also you have read the chapter from the book. Okay. Now I am explaining you the exercises given in this book of chapter first, and all these exercises of this chapter you have to do in your book, in your computer book, and all the question answers you have to do in your notebook. Okay, you have to submit both book and notebook for correction whenever asked in the school to the teacher. Okay, so today I am going to explain you the exercises of this chapter. So open your books, page number 15. Page number 15. First part is tick the correct option. So it is, you can write the heading MCQs and start writing in your, and start, you make the right option in the book. You will do the work in book. So first of all, the first statement given in your book is the language that uses mnemonics is. The language that uses mnemonics is. The options are as follows: assembly language, machine language, high level language. First of all, we should know what are mnemonics. In assembly language, symbols are used, and the set of symbols are called mnemonics. Okay, so the option, right option of the part first is first, assembly language. You will tick on the first option. It is, answer is assembly language. Okay, now second one is the fourth generation used for faster speed. Fourth generation used for faster speed. Vacuum tubes, you know, it is used in the first generation. ICs, that is integrated circuit, it is also used in the third generation. For the fourth generation, your option will be second, that is GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, now see the C statement. Fifth generation computing devices are based on. Fifth generation computing devices are based on. You know the answer? Yes, the answer is AI. As I have already explained you in the chapter, and hope you have read the chapter, then you know the answer. That is AI, artificial intelligence. Now statement, next statement. Combination of words with a set of rules defined is known as. What is the combination of words with a set of rules? You know the answer. Is it instruction? No. Not the instruction. Is it program? No. The answer will be second. Yes, the answer is second, syntax. Syntax is the right answer. Put a tick mark on the second column, that is syntax. E. The integrated circuit was developed in dash generation. You know, the options are given first, third and fifth. In first generation, vacuum tubes were developed. In third generation, IC, integrated circuit, were developed, and in fifth, it is artificial intelligence, AI. So answer will be again second, that is third. Okay, now put a tick on the second option, that is third. Okay students, now we are going to complete our second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, now look into your book and fill your exercise in the book. Okay, now see, first statement is the computer understands the dash language. The computer is a machine, you know, so it understands the machine language. Second, in assembly language, programs are written using. We know that in assembly language, programs are written using symbols, and a set of symbols in assembly language programs are called mnemonics. So answer will be symbols, SYMBOLS. Third, dash and dash are the example of high level language. So what are the examples? C and C++. C and C++ are the examples of high level language. Next, the third generation language are portable. The third generation language are portable. It means that it can be used on any computer, any other device also. But the first two generation languages are not portable. They can be used on the same computer. They can't be ported to the next computer. So the answer will be portable. Third generation languages are portable. Machine language consists of binary code that is represented by zeros and ones. Okay, note it down in your book. Okay, students? Yes, students. Now we will continue our next exercise, that is true and false. So listen carefully, see the video and read the statement in the book, and if the statement is true, write true, and if the statement is false, write false. Okay? Now I am explaining the sentence. ICs are large chips made of silicon. Yes, you already know. We have explained in the chapter that ICs are the chips made of silicon. Yes, it is true. Then you will write true. Right? True. After this sentence, next, 21st century combines high speed and low memory computation. 21st century combines high speed and low memory computation. This statement is wrong because in 21st century combine high speed and not low. It's big memory, high memory computation. Okay, so this statement is false. Right? False after this statement. The third one is the development of computing device can be classified into 5 generations. The development of computing device. Yes, the generations are divided into 5. Okay? I have already explained all 5 generations in this chapter and hope you have read. So the answer is correct. Statement is correct, then it will be true. Vacuum tubes were introduced in second generation computer. This statement is false. You all know why? What was introduced in the second generation? Yes, tell me children. Yes, you are right. Transistors. Transistors were introduced in the second generation. So this statement is again false. Compiler converts the source program into object code line by line. Is this statement true? No, this is false because this work is done by the interpreter, whereas compiler converts the whole program once at a time from source code to object code. So this statement is again false. So this statement is again false. You will write false after this statement. Now is it clear? Now note it down in your books. Okay students? Okay. Now students, look at the fourth exercise given in the book, in your book. Okay? That is match the following. Do it in your book as I am explaining you. Okay? Now see, in this, like this. This is part 1, this is part 2. In this, some pictures are given. In this, some generations are explained. In this, you have to do to match the pictures with the generation. So in this, how you will do? You will just see the picture. This is a robotic model. So this A will come to the fifth generation. In fifth generation, AI, artificial intelligence, was introduced. So it is come in the third option. So you will write A over here. In second, B. This is a microprocessor chip. This come in the fourth generation. Third, this is C. C will come in the third generation. Why? Because ICs were introduced, and here monitor and keyboard uses of monitor and keyboard was also introduced. Now in D option, vacuum tubes were shown. It will be in the first generation. You will write D over first option. And in E, they are transistors. They were used in the second generation. So you will write E after second generation. Is it clear? You will do it in the book only. Okay, students?